He so.
Hello peeps, let's decode quantum together. Hiya, welcome to Human Quantum Communication. What it means. Quantum communication is not a metaphor. It is the hidden language of the cosmos. Where conventional communication depends on words, symbols, and sounds, quantum communication moves in waves and frequencies. Thoughts are waves and heartbeats are frequencies. When two minds and two hearts focus on one another simultaneously, it is not coincidence, it is entangled consciousness. It is transmission of meaning beyond speech, the sharing of memory, biology, and soul across invisible bridges of light. In consciousness, quantum communication expands awareness beyond language into direct knowing. It is telepathy, intuition, and resonance working as one. It carries not just idea but genetic memory and instincts. When Kundalini rises and entwines with sensory inputs, a deeper phenomenon emerges, mind and body entangled across space. This feels like sudden downloads of foreign vocabulary, shared thoughts and visions, unspeakable recognition like I know you without words. In the body, quantum communication doesn't stop at brain, it syncs entire system. Skeleton aligning with another's posture, nervous system firing mirrored patterns, breathing, heart rate and circulation in harmony, shifts in skin tone, hair texture and voice, face metamorphosis as if the identity itself is fluid. Here, communication is not an exchange of words, it is biological resonance, the syncing of human bodies into one living field. Analogies. Entangled particles. Once connected, two particles remain linked across vast distance. Humans mirror this. Minds and bodies stay in resonance even when they are separated by oceans. Musical instruments. Two strings tuned alike vibrate in symphony. Likewise, two consciousness and entanglement transmit without sound, resonating in pure frequency. Speculative vision. Quantum communication reframes what it means to connect. It is not science fiction but an emerging reality. Through psychedelics, meditation, or spontaneous awakening, holographic messages appear. Visions of temple, numbered, divine archetype. Celestial beings invite levitation, entities speak in riddles. The voices carry across time. Sat Sal, 7 years. This is not imagination but resonance with higher dimensional channels of truth. Applications and potentials. Telepathy and empathy. A future where thoughts, emotions, and genetic memories can be shared directly. Healing. Syncing biological rhythms for instant regeneration and trauma release. Collective mind. Humanity uniting in one shared consciousness, like qubits entangled in global quantum network. Divine transmission. Receiving holographic visions, prophetic messages, and secret downloads as communication from higher realms. In a sense, quantum communication is not simply an idea, it is a cosmic internet of human consciousness. We are syncing thoughts, breath, memory, biology across unseen dimensions. It is the proof that we are more than isolated beings. We are receivers, witnesses, living proof of a network that has always been there. The age of quantum communication has begun.